care for, and even fun to act like. Animals! Come on, everyone. Let's sing a song about animals.
Animals, animals.
Everywhere you go, some that you have seen before and some you just don't know.
Animals, animals.
Living all around, up in the air, way over there, and even underground. Some animals live at my house, they are called my pets. I take good care of them, I even take them to the vet. Some animals live on a farm, the farmer cares for them. Sometimes they help the farmer too by staying in their pens. Look at page 2, the page with a banana at the top. Some animals live in the forest, and others live in the zoo, or the jungle, or even the desert, in lakes and rivers and oceans too.
Animals, animals.
Everywhere you